What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I have a big announcement for you guys. Like I've been telling you since past couple of videos about providing you with a better opportunity to win sneakers or get them at better prices. It was a little complicated to actually execute that in a financially feasible format for me. But anyways, I worked upon it and I'm finally ready to share it with you guys. So before we get started, I'm not gonna ask you to follow me or subscribe to my channel today. I'm only requesting you guys to watch this till the end and hear carefully in order to understand it in the right manner. So let's begin. Now since the time my channel started growing, majorly this year, I've tried my best to do as many giveaways as I can to give it back to you guys. Now the only issue with that was it was never as exciting as I wanted it to be for more and more of you guys. And hence I came up with this plan. Today I'm launching a membership plan for you guys. Now before I share the details with you guys, let me tell you this is in partnership with Main Street. Now me and Main Street, or Vedant rather, have known each other for a long time and we pretty much started doing what we do seriously around the same time. No, I am not a partner in Main Street, but we have come together on this one. We call it Metro. So this is a membership plan which will majorly include three things. 1. Giveaways with multiple winners. 2. Steals, that is lots and lots of sneakers and streetwear below market price. And 3. Exclusive content. So first, giveaways. There will be a giveaway every week and the prizes will be shared with you guys in advance. There will be multiple winners and not one every week. I will share the prizes for this week ahead in this video. Now next, steals. Under this, we will release a lot of sneakers and streetwear, DS and even pre-owned for crazy prices below market value of course. And only the members will get access to this every week. You do not need to worry about bots or lakhs of people trying to cop at one time. More the members, more the sneakers and streetwear we will release, keeping our chances extremely high. For example, we may release a Travis Scott Jordan 1 at 30% below market price, a Yeezy 350 for 10k, or a couple of tees at 3k, or it could be anything. Basically, there will be something for everyone. And also, if you are a reseller, then this is where you can cop some inventory to make money. So that's steals. Last but not the least, exclusive content. Now this is something I wanted to do since a long time, but I always thought maybe it's a little too early. But of late, I've been seeing my DMs go crazy with your doubts and also the comment section under each video. Now you got to understand that there will always be things that I cannot share publicly on this channel. So this is where exclusive content comes in. When I make another guide, for example, there may be things I could share with you guys in a more private environment. So this and also a lot of behind the scenes content along with weekly live streams where me and even Vedant will talk to all our members and guide them in the best way possible. So that's exclusive content. Now let's talk about pricing and how it makes sense to you guys. So basically there are two plans. One is a weekly plan and the other is a monthly plan. So the weekly plan will cost you only 999 rupees and you will be a member for only 1 week, that is 7 days. And talking about the monthly plan goes for about 2999 rupees only, wherein you will have membership for 4 full weeks. So what you get in the weekly plan is the weekly giveaway that we are going to do, which is going to have multiple winners. Then apart from that, you will get access to the steals that we drop in that particular week and obviously the exclusive content for that week. Now what you get in the monthly plan is automatic enrollment to all 4 weeks giveaways and of course access to the steals that we drop every week for 4 weeks and also the exclusive content for the whole month. Now what is different in the monthly plan is that you will get 4 entries in each giveaway per week as compared to a single entry in the weekly plan. So basically you're getting a total of 16 entries in the monthly plan and thus increasing your chances to win something or the other for sure. Now apart from this, if you have enrolled for our membership plan and you do not end up winning anything, then the money that you have paid for the membership can be used as store credit in that particular month. So basically what we're trying to do is not leave any cost on your head. So even if you don't win anything, you can easily go to the store or you can buy a t-shirt online from the Main Street Marketplace and use the money that you paid for membership as a credit. Now let's talk about how the weekly membership will work. Now suppose you go and buy the weekly plan today, then you're going to be a member right up till next Friday 6 p.m. Now, if you happen to buy the membership after 6 p.m. on next Friday, then you will automatically become a member for the following week and not the current week. So basically what this means is that every Friday at 6 p.m. the membership for the week will be closed, and thereafter we will pick the winners for the week and also drop the steals that you can go and buy. So if you're a monthly member, you do not need to worry about any of these things. All you have to do is tune in on Friday at 6 p.m. to see if you won anything in the giveaway. If not, you can go to the website and try to cop something from the steal section. And even if that doesn't work for you, then you can probably go to the Main Street Marketplace and probably buy a t-shirt and use up your store credit that you paid in the form of membership fees. So that was about the membership plans. The page is now live. So to know more, you have to visit marketplacebymainstreet.com and go under the metro section where you will find all the details below. Also, I have added the link in description box below, so you can click and visit the website from there. You can also see the weekly steals and giveaway prices there before you decide to enroll. So this is going to be showcased to you every week. So in case you want to become a weekly member and for a particular week where there is a shoe that you like in the giveaway section, or there are a couple of hype sneakers that are going to drop in the steal section. So in that case, what you can do is specifically go and take the membership only for that week. Or if you're a monthly member, like I said, you do not need to worry about all these things as you will be enrolled all the time. Now before I show you the giveaway prizes for this week, let me bring to your notice that if in case there is a particular shoe in the giveaway in any given week and you want to increase your chances for that particular week, you can also, after subscribing to the weekly membership or monthly membership, go into the giveaway section, and from there you can buy as many more slots if you want. And not just that, if you buy 2 more slots, you get 1 extra free. So this will be in addition to the slots you have default in your membership, only to increase your chances if you wish to. So you all enter regular giveaways on various pages on Instagram. So how this is different and better is because if you do not win anything, then you do not waste your money that you paid to enter. You can recover that in the form of store credit that you get on Marketplace by Main Street. By the way, this is what you can win in the first week starting today. So moment you buy the membership, you will automatically be enrolled in the giveaway as well. So that is all. I hope you understood every single thing clearly, and also I would like to know from you guys, what do you feel about this? We have tried our best to make it almost free by giving you your membership money back as store credit. Also, this is just the beginning and it will go crazier as we grow. So that's all from me for today, and I hope to see you in the first ever members only live stream this week. For everyone else, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Past couple of chances via week 1